Every year that I come to EMU, it is always an incredible energy and it's amazingly organized. I would say that the crowds are bigger this year. We have almost 650 people. So we're just kind of getting that energy going in the room.
This is a very practical emergency medicine conference. It's very much sifted out, filtered out. What do you need to know on your next shift? And then you have interactions and small workshops with like some real expert speakers, and it's a real wonderful opportunity to meet people.
What we do is we worry about what the practicing emergency physician needs to know for tomorrow, for next week, for next month, for next year, and everything you do at EMU is going to prepare you for tomorrow.
You know, the amount of information that they pack into a short conference here is just unbelievable.
In addition to the main stage talks that are high yield with pearls and tips and tricks, we have lots of hands-on seminars where you actually get to practice your skills for procedures that we may not get to do all that often, but we need to still know how to do well. And so if that's what you're looking for, this is the place to be.